This is the transcript of Stormy Daniels' testimony. The news was not reporting some of this. Trigger warning. Stormy Daniels is being questioned by the prosecution. Now, before we broke Miss Daniels, we were talking about the discussions you had in the hotel suite. Did there come a time that you needed to use the restroom? Yes. Can you tell us just about that? I had been there for quite a while. I drank a couple of bottles of water, which is all we were drinking. It was water, and I needed to use the ladies' room, so I asked if that was possible. So I was instructed to go through the living room and to the bedroom and to help myself to the facilities. When you say you were directed, who directed you? Mr. Trump. Can you describe, you said you went through a bedroom to get to the bathroom? Yes, I went out of the dining room area, through the living room, through a bedroom, into what I assume is the master bedroom. It was a very large, beautiful bathroom. What did you see inside the bathroom? So I walked through the bedroom. I did notice that the bed was unmade, but there were no personal items around. And I entered the bathroom. I went into the separate area where the toilet actually was and used the bathroom, came out and was washing my hands and touching up my lipstick. I did notice someone had obviously been using the restroom. There were towels and stuff that was open. There was a leather or like a leather-looking toiletry bag on the counter with products and stuff in it, which, what do you remember about what was inside? I did look. I'm not proud of it. I wondered what is in here, and I noticed the toiletry the items were Old Spice and Pert Plus. I thought that was both amusing and odd. And a manicure set, which was gold tweezers and all gold things. I finished washing my hands and touched my makeup up, then I walked out of the bathroom. Did you try to call anybody while you were inside the bathroom? Alina was not answering her phone. In fact, I wish I had a cell phone camera. If I did, I definitely would have taken a picture of that. I even thought, whoa, this is crazy. Did you try to call her while you were inside the bathroom? I believe so. Her phone was going straight to voicemail. At this point, she wanted no part of whatever I had going on. What happened when you left the bathroom?